This is Maddie's fetch game. Never stop. Fetch game. She goes again. Bring it right back to me. Throw it again. She goes to get it again. Bring it right back to me. Throw it again. She goes and gets it again. Bring it right back to me. She'll give it back to me. Watch her wait for it. Very, very good. Patiently waiting. She watches every move and makes it. Poke it. Poke it.
You know, it's always fun to take a look back, but we can't live in the past. We can, however, laugh in the present.